already. What does it say to you that you have a witness who's saying she didn't want to be there? She knew everybody at the party. They're at a different high school now. However, she knows all these people. They're her friends. And she says, I don't want to get involved. I assumed there would be a confrontation.
It seems like she's leaving out some facts. I think she may have knowledge. There had to have been some discussion in that car, and she doesn't want to get involved is what is coming across to me. I mean, she jumps in the back of the car as soon as they arrive. She's texting her sister. She obviously is fearful that this is really going to turn into a bad situation really quickly.
Yeah, she is, and I can't quite figure out, based on her testimony so far, excuse me, Alexis, why she thinks that, and if it's only in retrospect she thinks that because she knows what happened. So that's the next part of this. Cross-examination, I think the defense attorney's been doing a very good job picking apart, trying to destroy the credibility of the witnesses, which is his job. How would you attack cross of this witness?
I mean, at this point, she hasn't really said anything or testified to anything other than the timeline where people were sitting in the car. So it'll be interesting as to what he's going to attack other than the positioning of the people, because she's not stating obviously that they're up until now that there's anything that he really necessarily needs to attack. I don't think he should be aggressive with her, that's for sure.
I don't think so either, but some of the little details bother me. So, for instance, on direct examination, I noticed that she said Lito was drunk. But then she says, well, everybody was drunk. I'm not sure if he was or not. I mean, there are little things like that that I think they're assumptions that riddle not just her testimony, but some of the other testimony as well.
Well, I think the fact, it sounds like they were all drinking, and yeah, he might want to question her about the fact that she doesn't really have the basis or what she's basing him on being drunk. But I think really the takeaway from that was more along the lines that they were all kind of drinking at that point. It was, we have underage drinking for sure, and so I think that was where we're going with that.